Bonjour, bonjour tout le monde. Hello. Hi, babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm gonna leave Tyler to talk to you guys real quick and start the vlog because I need to go put on my shoes and get him out of these hills.
Bonjour. Okay, so today is the first day of school. So
You mean the first day of the week?
yes, but the first day of the week is the first day of the week of school.
Yes, you have to say it properly, the way how you say it.
And make sure all of you guys have your calendar. Mama,
We.
before to go out, the calendar.
Oh, calendar.
Where's Sarah?
Calendar, Christmas calendar.
I was talking.
Sarah, chocolate.
I was talking to them about it.
Christmas calendar for the kids. We're doing their calendar. Look for number
5.
5.
No,
number
not
6.
6.
Sarah, number 6. Look at her and Ty looking for the number. Number 6. Sarah looking. You find yours, Ty? Open yours. Anyway, you guys, welcome to our channel. As you guys can see, it's a normal day here where we are heading out. You find it? No, that's number 9. That's number 9. You're looking for number 6.
What?
No, that's number 9. She found number 9. I want to turn it. Number 6. Let me help you. Look. Yay! She found number 9 and want to turn it around. Sorry, you're a trickster.
Yeah.
Sorry, you're a
Mama, I got a little Santa.
You got a Santa?
Yeah. Open it.
Open it. Ah! Wow! Who is that?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus! Santa Claus. Yay! Say thank you, Mama. Say morning, Faves. Look. Sarah, look up. Look. Say morning, Faves. She just into her chocolate this morning. Anyway, you guys, as you guys can see, I am ready and I'm heading out right now to go drop Tyler to school. I have to go to the doctor this morning. I have a doctor's appointment that I need to go to, so I'm gonna drop Tyler to school and then I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll be back home in no time. My appointment should be short and snappy, so it's just a checkup. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. And if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Girl, be sure to catch up and keep up. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you don't get a notification, a vlog is here on our channel every day, Monday to Friday. Baby's actually getting ready to head out too, but he'll be heading out with me while I'm going to the doctor. So stick and stay and enjoy the rest of today's vlog, whatever it is that we have to show you. I don't know what you guys gonna see. You guys just gonna have to continue watch and discover. Don't skip through. Watch them ads. If them ads are too long, just watch a few minutes and keep it moving. Love you guys for the constant support. See you to a part 2. Continuez de regarder. Continue watching. Anyway, you guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. À bientôt. See, you guys have me talking French. Parce que tu as demandé tous les jours, Mel, tu parles français? Oui, je parle un peu de français. Anyway, you guys, love y'all. I'm out. See you in a bit. the last time I spoke to you guys. My day has been busy and I did not pick up this camera. Why am I doing this? You guys, I have been back off the road. I went on the road this morning. I got back about midday, just in time to feed Sarah and myself lunch. And funny enough, I picked up the computer to start working and I fell asleep. And missed a package from the mail, and now I'm gonna have to find out where they dropped my package. So that kind of was frustrating for me. And since I fell asleep for like an hour and a half, my phone was on vibrate, hence why I missed my package. So normally when I miss a package, they leave it at a spot and I have to go pick it up. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to go do that. But anyway, enough of that. I'm now making dinner. Picked up Tyler from school. He's here somewhere playing with his sister. I think dinner today is gonna be leftover lasagna from last night. I'm doing some vegetable with that, and I had bought some green plantain over the weekend, and they've ripened. They're ripe, so I'm going to fry one of those, you know, just to nice up the plate a bit. Anyway, so that's what's going on right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day and is staying safe. Of course, these two playing. That's what Sarah looked forward to the most. Oh, where is it? You missed.
Sarah, here.
Tyler, you finish your homework?
Yes.
Tyler, you finish your homework?
Yes, Mama. Only Papa.
Have to sign things?
Yes.
Oh, Sarah is too funny. She tried to snatch Tyler
No,
ball of
when I
Cheetos.
finish, can you please snatching?
Oh, what you are gonna snatch?
And she's going to snatch my bowl that is empty.
Okay, you're too funny.
How are you? No. Sarah, how are you? I'm ready. Sarah, repeat what I say. Hello, hello. Sarah, say hello. 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 How are you? I'm fine. You. I'm fine. You. No, say I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you. Hello.
You guys, look at these two.
Hello.
What you two doing?
We are sleeping because we're playing Christmas. Tomorrow is going to be Christmas.
Okay, alright.
So Santa is going to give us gifts.
Okay, alright. Hope you weren't naughty, you and your sister.
No.
Okay.
We'll have all the gifts of the sea.
Alright. Enjoy your nap. Alright, you guys, quick visual on the kids' dinner. This is Sarah's lasagna and veggies, her favorite beans. And this is Tyler's lasagna, plantain, and creamy spinach. Ready to eat? Eat. And there goes mine. Broccoli, plantain, and lasagna. I had said I wasn't gonna eat no more, but Jaja, it's too good. I just want it. So good. Sarah call it cake. Hi, unicorn. Look. You're too cute. Unicorn, it's time to go to bed, you know. Tell face night night. So see you guys tomorrow. You guys, look at her. You ready for bed? You're all fresh and ready for bed? You're in a unicorn outfit. You're too cute. Oh, Sarah, I love seeing you in this outfit so bad. Okay, Mama gonna leave you. Let you relax. Bye. Bye bye. See you later.
Ça c'est les mains. Ça c'est les cheveux. Cheveux.
To our tête.
Ça c'est la tête. Tête. Oui.
Tell her them again.
Le nez, il est où le nez?
Wow, good job.
Les yeux, ils sont où les yeux? Ça c'est les yeux. Oui. La bouche. Touche la bouche. Non, c'est où la bouche? C'est ça. Oui. Et les oreilles? Ils sont où les oreilles?
Good
Oui.
job. Oh, she's too cute. Look who's on. Dun, 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 dun. What that means?
That was a long day. Oh, I feel a little bit better.
Still, oh, praise God. Whew, I was about to say
A
still.
little bit. Oh,
A little bit better is better than how you left here this morning.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Oh! Look who's showered and ready for bed.
Mama,
Tough
can I
is-
watch TV first?
You see your teeth falling out in the front? Oh my gosh, look at his teeth.
I don't know what to think.
Oh, let it go, let me see it. Ah, Jesus, it completely yanked out of one side. It will fall out by the end of the week.
TV?
You can watch TV, yes, a little bit before bed. Hold on. Go through all your homework with Papa first.
I did all of it. There's only Papa that need to see Papa, but he said that he will do it later before.
Okay, alright. If he said that, then you can go. Why you and I wearing the same color today?
I don't know. But it's not the same color. Mine is more yellow than you. Yours is more brown.
You couldn't let me enjoy the moment that I think in my head that we were matching. Huh? I wanted to say we're matching and you're just like, no mama, it's not matching. It's yellow and brown. Anyway, you guys, I am coming on to end today's vlog. Baby's busy, so I'm ending it with my other partner in crime, my sweet boy. It's another day that we're ending the vlog. Stop doing that. It's another day that we're coming on to end the vlog. And remember, you guys, Tyler been having some headaches. Some time ago in some vlog I tell you that when I picked him up he was having this headache. Today he went to see the doctor, and what happened?
She said that I need to have glasses to relax my eyes.
Why you need glasses?
Because I'm forcing on my eyes when I'm reading or I'm in class.
Right, I'm sure you guys understand clearly what he just said, so I don't have to repeat, but I'll just do that for who doesn't understand clearly what he said. So the doctor says his vision is perfect. There's nothing wrong with his vision, but he's gonna give him a glasses so that he can stop force his eye muscle. So the glasses is only for when he's in class and when he's reading, so that when he's focusing on something he doesn't have to put too much pressure on his eye muscle, because he can see that his eye muscles are not fully developed as yet. So the glasses is not for any other thing except in class or when he's reading,
or even doing my book that I was doing over
yeah,
there.
because that's a form of reading. So that's where we're at with that. So he have to go back to see the doctor sometime next month, and then from there he'll get the measurement for his glasses and all that stuff. So my baby will be in a little cute glasses. Like I said, it's not for his vision, so don't get it wrong. It's nothing to do with his vision.
I wonder which
But
color it will
we're
be.
gonna
like
choose
that
it.
can
He's
be.
not there gonna choose the color. It's us gonna choose the color and the style.
Can I choose it?
Yes, you're gonna be there, so we'll all do it together, okay? But we'll make sure to choose the one that you like the most, okay? Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end today's vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Sarah, come say tomorrow to Faves. Tomorrow, Faves. Get down.